This presentation is about the main benefits which a hotel can expect when the leaders create heart-based hospitality. It doesn't explain what heart-based hospitality is. For that, please watch the series of 8 videos called What is Heart-Based Hospitality for an explanation of what it is. This presentation will be more meaningful after watching those videos. When a hotel general manager is considering creating heart-based hospitality, he is effectively implementing a process of change throughout the hotel, and he needs to be sure that there will be significant benefits, particularly financial benefits. Now, in my experience of creating heart-based hospitality in hotels over the last 13 years or so, is that the revenue does increase significantly. And why does it increase? Because when heart-based hospitality is implemented fully, it meets the unspoken need of human beings to be loved, to be shown kindness, to be understood, and to be shown compassion, and to be cared for authentically and continuously throughout their stay. Because of this, heart-based hospitality hotels invariably win national or international recognition, including World Travel Awards, and the comments left on websites such as TripAdvisor.com attest to the hospitality provided. Inevitably, this has an effect on the hotel's occupancy level and revenue. When you create heart-based hospitality, your goal isn't simply to provide more correct and more efficient service, or just to increase the friendliness of the employees. While high standards are important, your goal is, as one hotel's management team described it, to create a heavenly oasis of love, care, compassion, and heart-touching hospitality, which makes spoken and unspoken dreams come true. It's not difficult to create this, incidentally. You just have to do things differently to what is currently the norm. And isn't that what guests would prefer to experience if it was available? The guest experience throughout the hotel industry is based on the old-style concept of SOP customer satisfaction. As the video series called What is Heart-Based Hospitality explains, a heart-based hospitality hotel provides a very different level of hospitality, spiritual and energetic hospitality, and it attracts people who want their unspoken needs met. If you advertise that you provide a heart-based hospitality experience and describe what guests can expect, you will not be short of customers. You don't create heart-based hospitality in the same way as in a typical SOP customer satisfaction hotel. Heart-based hospitality is created by developing the spiritual capacity of the employees, which includes deepening them in the essential core values of hospitality, namely loving kindness, compassion, and heartwarming care. It's also created by increasing the coherence of their heart energy and by working with energy in various ways. And guests often comment about the feelings which the hospitality created in them. Guests at a heart-based hospitality resort, especially, may comment that their stay felt timeless. They often comment about the immense kindness, care, and warmth of the employees, and they say that they didn't want to leave. It's common that when guests receive a farewell hug on checkout, they weep or their eyes water. And they may comment about feeling inner peace and about feeling loved unconditionally and about the commitment of the employees to do whatever they can to make them happier. When these comments are posted on the internet, such as at TripAdvisor.com, they're good for business because people generally want to experience a hotel where they will feel like this. What attracts guests to a heart-based hospitality hotel is a spirit of love, kindness, compassion, and care, which is developed in a variety of ways. The principal way is by developing the spiritual capacity of the employees. And deep and meaningful spiritual quotations are often used for this purpose, and the employees carry out their job duties and provide hospitality in the spirit of the quotations. As their capacity grows, the spirit of love, kindness, compassion, and heartwarming care increases in the hospitality they provide. This quotation sets the standard when heart-based hospitality is being implemented in a hotel. It expresses the spirit of care, which causes guests to make the comments I've referred to in an earlier slide. The line, "Be as sweet musk to the sense of humankind," describes the feelings which every guest interaction should create. Every interaction should make the guest feel like he or she is smelling a beautiful scent, such as sweet musk or the beautiful scent of a flower. Heart-based hospitality hotels develop the employees in ways which make the hospitality experience feel like this. Guests love it, and of course it's good for business. One of the reasons why guests enjoy heart-based hospitality is because the hospitality is characterized by softness and gentleness. The employees move more graciously, and as you open the hearts of the employees and develop their spiritual capacity, they soften and become more gentle, kinder, more compassionate, and more caring. They become truer to their authentic self, and they look at the guest as people in need of compassion and provide hospitality accordingly. And this kind of hospitality touches the hearts of the guests. And the more you develop the spiritual capacity of the employees, the more intense the experience of genuine care becomes. And as this process of developing the spiritual capacity unfolds, the desire of the employees to want to make other people happy and to look for ways to do so grows in them. And as a result, the hospitality becomes a beautifully soft and gentle experience. And this is a stark contrast to a typical SOP customer satisfaction guest experience, which tends to focus more on SOP operational standards than on creating heartfelt feelings. Another benefit of heart-based hospitality is that the guests experience more peace in their heart and they feel happier. And this is also due to the energetic feeling of the hospitality experience. Heart-based hospitality isn't only created by developing the spiritual capacity of the employees. When you create heart-based hospitality, the employees also work with energy in a variety of different ways, such as by changing the energetic feeling of a guest room or a guest facility, or by changing their own heart field energy. And this affects the spirit and feeling of the hospitality experience. And this may sound very improbable, New Age-ish and impossible to some, but it can be explained scientifically. Indeed, many of us have met someone and felt at once that we liked them or didn't like them. And that feeling came from feeling their energy. And the same happens sometimes when we go into a room and we felt immediately that we either liked or didn't like how the room made us feel. And that feeling is very likely the result of the lingering energy of the people who were in the room before you. In maybe a generation's time, it will surely be normal to use energy techniques to affect the hospitality experience, because ultimately the energetic feeling of the staff and of the hotel affects the hotel's revenue. Because of the potential effect of energy on the hotel's revenue, the employees in heart-based hospitality hotels work on their own energy and on the energy of the guest facilities so that they emit a high-frequency vibration, because this has a more pleasant and welcoming feeling. Does a person's energy vibration affect people? Most definitely it does. We have all experienced how a happy person makes us feel happier, and how someone who complains all the time brings us down. And this affects a hotel's revenue. So the employees learn ways to raise their own energy vibration, and they practice them even in the daily briefing, because the energy change not only affects them personally, but also the physical environment where they work. The techniques make the employees feel happier and make them experience a stronger desire to make others happy. Again, this is good for business.